further debate, the member for Lanark, Frontenac, Kingston.
Thank you, Speaker. Speaker, the passage of Bill 218 will mark a very dark moment in our history. It'll mark a very ugly milestone in our history. As 170 years ago, the people of Ontario demanded responsible government, and they got it. Bill 218 ends responsible government as we know it. Bill 218 undermines and makes a mockery of the concept of ministerial responsibility. Bill 18 allows the government to conceal any incompetence, any wrongdoing, or any consequence or any remedy for incompetence and wrongdoing. These are not the hallmarks of a responsible government. Let's remember, they have killed the concept of a public inquiry to find out why those thousands of elderly people died prematurely in our long-term care. They've prevented people from learning and understanding what and how their actions may have contributed to the outcomes of COVID and their policies. They've also now removed any civil remedy for anybody who has felt that their policies may have been a contributing factor to the premature death of the elderly. Right? This government, and some people may laugh about 2,000 deaths over on the other side. I don't laugh about it. I think it's a tragic consequence of what this government has done. And they are refusing to allow anyone to have any scrutiny over their actions. Speaker, this bill is called Supporting Ontario's Recovery Act. It is better stated as concealing government actions through COVID, for that is its only purpose and its only function is to prevent an inquiry into what has happened in COVID. Not just for this government, but also for the broader public knowledge about how we ought to respond to crises. Should we respond the way this government has in the next one? We will never know, because we aren't allowed to examine and evaluate what has happened. Speaker, I find this just a brazen attack on responsible government, a brazen attack on the rule of law, and a complete extinguishing of our concepts of common law. The words cannot be found to describe my disappointment in those on the other side, or for any member who would support this bill in any fashion. If there was spine and conviction, they'd get kicked out of caucus because they should be voting against this bill. Thank you.